Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to continue working on our Volkswagen Jetta, doing the final touches on it. We have everything put back together. The only thing is that we have the airbag light on, and it's actually a code B12251B, which is actually the seat occupied recognition sensor mat resistant too high. So what we tried before was changing this module, as you can see right there, but it's actually not the module that is wrong. It's giving off the code when we change it that it couldn't communicate with the sensor, so it's the actual sensor of the seat, which is bad. My guess is when the car had its crash and the window was stuck in the low position, maybe water got into it and damaged the sensor. But that's something we have to figure out, and we need to go ahead and take the seat apart, take it out of the car, check out the mat, and see if we can replace it and see if that would fix the actual problem that we're having. So let's get straight to work, and I'll take you along with the job we're going to be doing to the seat. Alright guys, a couple hours later, we went to the junkyard and actually were able to find the new sensor off of a nice car that we found over there in the junkyard. Hopefully this one works. So before we get to uninstalling anything on the seat, I want to go ahead and put it back on the car temporarily and try this out and see if that will fix the problem by turning on the airbag sign. So let's go ahead and do that first. I forgot to mention, go ahead and disconnect the battery before you start plugging the cables in and turn the car on to see if that'll work, so we don't cause any damages to the airbags. Well guys, so that didn't work as the way I was expecting. So I brought it to a friend of mine that has a computer to put on the car, see if he can reset this and have this work before we even get to do anything on it. So hopefully that works. So let's get to seeing the machine, and I'll catch you back after it's done and let you know if it worked or not. All right guys, next day here, we were actually able to get this to work, but not at first. We actually had to change the module in the bottom of the seat as well. So you can see right there, that's the guy. I had to go to the junkyard, buy that one, and put it on. And after that, the guy was able to reset the computer back to 0, the module, and we were able to get the seat to work. Now it's time to take the seat apart and show you how we're going to do this.
Alright guys, for this part we want to be really careful because as you can see in my seat we have the heated seat sensor in the bottom stuck or glued together with the airbag sensor, so we have to peel it back really carefully so we don't damage the sensor in the bottom. If you don't have this sensor or heated seats in your vehicle, don't worry about it, but as you can see right here it's really hard to get it apart without breaking it, so be really careful with it.
it's the moment of truth, guys. Everything's back together on the seat. Hopefully this worked. I just reconnected the battery, so let's see if the seat is actually going to work. Now that it's put back together, let's see if I did a good job. It worked. Well guys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. We were able to fix the issue we were having with the sensors. After a while we figured it out and we were able to reprogram everything with our buddy that helped out with the machine that he has, and also we were able to put back the seat together and everything was successful. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.